We find inspiration from people who do wonders in our country and communities. Mpumalanga, you are on Spotlight.
Sanmanani, we are here again. Thank you for tuning in with us here on Spotlight. You're with me today, Uzizile, and so it's only a girl's thing. Thank you for tuning in with us. Today we have Miss Emoyeni. Miss Emoyeni 2024. How are you, baby girl?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, Sandra. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of we actually having you today to tell us more about Yongelendole of you being Miss Emoyeni. It's big. It's big. I must say it's big. It's big. So how are you feeling right now?
Okay, ngijabule kakhulu like kuba Miss Emoyeni Mall.
Okay.
It's an honor game to be called Miss Emoyeni.
It's big.
Mall. It's something very big. Yeah, it's a dream coming true.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really nice. So tell me about the day. The day.
Yeah.
How was it? How was it? Tell me about the day.
Okay, the day. Competition.
Yeah.
They're too tight, but you know, I've told myself, good Zadine, I've got this.
Yeah.
The day was a wonderful day, I can say.
Yeah.
Langa lenge ngize ngilikhohlwe empilweni.
Yeah.
Okay.
I must say. And it's so nice. See, things that are happening here in Mpumalanga, these are some of the things that made us to be proud of being in Mpumalanga. You know, if we're going to have businesses who support young people, who actually boost the confidence, I mean, guys, this is more than big. This is more than, but it's spot on. It's spot on, Buffet. It's spot on. I mean, Mina, I'm so proud. I'm so proud to be actually sitting here with our very own Miss Emoyeni. So, Kamalako, son, tell us.
Well, Kamalami andiswa ngokwanhlana sibongo. I'm 18 years of age.
Okay.
Ngihlala eNgomeni.
Okay, uhlala eNgomeni. Ngibuya engomeni. So like ngivele ngafika nawe wafika. We didn't know because we were coming in the same place. We bump into each other on the ladies, and then I didn't even know we were coming here. But anyway, I'm glad Sano we coming engomeni sobabili. That's a big up. That's a big up. So I don't know much to say, but we are really proud of you. We're looking forward to actually seeing you growing and ungenela lamanye ma-pageant lamanengi, usita labanye bantwana, ubafunzisa. Now we ended up being Miss South Africa, Miss World, bakhona bozozimbini, abozizobheda. You know, mina I grew up during the time of abozizobheda, and at that time she was the hottie, you know, of the country. So now we have abozozimbini, we have a lot of abo Miss. And now, Miss South Africa that we have, probably now you'll reach here in one day, you know?
Of course.
So we're really proud of you, baby girl. Please keep up and do that. Please encourage other young people. Encourage other young people. Guys, there's lots to do. There's lots to do. As we can engage ourselves into drugs. As we can engage ourselves into Emma Tavel, you know.
Why you can't go in the beauty pageant?
Well, angeke ngize ngithi ngayikhetha kwenda i-beauty pageant. Kuyinto lebeyisolo igimi but ngingayiboni ibonwa abantu.
Okay.
So nga-encourage abantu ukuthi ngingenele ngala.
Because of the body?
Yes, not of the body but ngikhuluma.
Oh, bebayiva ukuthi uvuthiwe.
Yeah, ngikhuluma. So kungena kwami ko-Miss, bengingacabanga ukuthi nginayo le potential yokuba nguMiss. Bengadiboni nginalesiphiwo nje sibu-Miss. Bengicabanga ukuthi bu-Miss i-runway nethu uyahamba uyabuya ukukhuluma. So kungenela kwami bo-Miss kungento engarealize ukuthi no, kahle kahle ngiphiwe netiphiwo letiningi, uyakubona. Ngiyakhona ukukhuluma nebantu, ngiyakhona ukusocialize nebantu. Kungento engarealize ngabona i-better version of me. Kahle kahle.
Uqale nini?
Ngiqale it was 2022 bengena grade 11. Lapho ke ngaqala ngangenela Miss Pina ngaphuma Miss Teen Pina
Okay.
lapho-ke as i-queen.
Yeah.
Bekuyi-experience yami yokuqala kubo Miss Soul lokuthi ngiwine kwangi-encourage ukuthi no yathi le nto ikimi isengadini so kufanele ngichubeke ngiye phambili. Kungenela labo Miss ngingasho ukuthi understanding yami bengingasinga ukuthi bakhetha umuntu lomuhle kakhulu no bakhetha umuntu lo basibonele kulabanye bantwana.
Yeah.
Nalendo le yangenta ngawina bengangeneli for ifame kuthi ngifuna kubonwa
Yeah.
ngingenela ngoba ekhaya banjanjani ngangenela ngoba lento ngiyayithanza
Yeah.
ikimi
Yeah.
uyabona. So I can say ukuthi ngileto tinto nato letangenda ukuthi ngitholakale sengibitwa njenga Miss Teen Pinawa 2022.
Okay, then 2023.
2023 I was doing matric but still reigning ngale ku Miss Teen Pinawa because ngawina ngo December.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So ufunze Mandla Siva.
Yes, ngifundze manje siya.
Bakho akhona nje Mandla Siva. Kumbe nifunza kuphela. Isikhathi sabo Miss good.
No, isikhathi sabo Miss Good sifundza kuphela.
Oh, okay. Because I letinye indzawo disanawo ama beauty pageant etkolweni like mangala bo Highfield kusagcwele but ngala kithi ngathi sekuyaphela kuyafuka kakhulu. Kubaleke engakanani ukuthi sibe nawo even nasetkolweni?
Kubalekile because uthole ukuthi labanye abantwana bede i-connection mara lo muntu unazo lesifiso sokuthi one day nami ngifuna kuba ngimisi. So kubalekile ukuthi etikoleni kuba naloyo tishera or principal ayivule lento yebumisi. Bantwana lapho ke ngilaba khona ku express ama emotions wabo I can say.
Yeah.
Yakubona ngoba labaningi asikaphiwa sonke ebhukwini but uthole ukuthi ngala kulabo miss uya excela kakhulu. So lokho ke kungamsita lo mntwana ukuthi achubekele athule seka phambili ngempilo. Uyabona? Yeah.
So manje next after Miss Emoyeni what's the plan?
Well, the plan ngifuna ke esikoleni kahle kahle.
Okay.
Ngifuna kuqale ngifunze kuqala into ibeka kancane nje labo miss kancane qale ngifunze yabona.
Yeah.
Ngibe netinto letithi mine yobo sengikhani ngizochubeka ngingenela labo miss Mpumalanga ngiyetulu but senginema degrees wami nami yakubona. Yeah.
But bakhona ema university bo Miss TUT.
Yes bakhona bo ngangenela nakhona yabo but ngibe ngisesikolweni.
Oh, shows nyalo just to taking it a step further now sevasithi udongenela.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay, no, that's nice. Yeah, I think I'm done.
So yeah, here's the question. Ungathini emvaneni lomncane who is willing to actually join a beauty pageant? Yeah, since now you've won before and then you've won again. Yeah.
Well, ngingasho ukuthi into yokuqala lekumele ayibeke emqondweni asisemncane ma beauty pageant it's a win and lose situation.
Yeah.
Funa ungene wathi ukuthi there are 50% chances of you ukuthi uwine kune ma percent like 50 futhi ukuthi ulose.
Okay.
And ungangeneli i-beauty pageant net kusi uborekile net uyangena nje because uma sotowina you'll be one of those labathi yeah ba miss njani yabo ngenela i-pageant because uyayithanza lendo ikuwe. Yeah. Ungangeneli because kunelo uthi hayi hamba ngenela ba miss.
Yeah. Because you're pretty, you have the nice body, you have, you know.
Yes.
Because it even takes the intellectual part.
Yes.
I like that it takes an intellectual part for you to actually win.
Because some bayasho ukuthi ngenela bo miss you have a nice body ungawina but if unganayo lengqondo because esikhathini lesiningi bo miss babuka ingqondo ukuthi wena njengentwana wentombatane losakhula yini i-impact longayiletha ebantwaneni labancane.
Exactly, that's my point.
Ngangenela bo miss ngine nice body but e-tavern ngiyatiwa kuphi ngiyatiwa lokho ke akulethi isithombe lesinhle kubantwana labancane labasakhula. Uyakubona?
Oh, okay. Yeah. So what my challenges la lo so wa faceile wena kule level lo sa be busy ngayo?
Well, my challenges le ngafaceile I can say kuhletshwa. Ya kukhulunywa kabi into letinjalo because bantu bayakhuluma la ngaphandle and bohlale bakhuluma. uthole nje umuntu akudiscourage athi nje ungenela bo-Miss Moyeni kwini njani cha ngathi uyophelela kuphi but lokhu kuthi ngingabalaleli ngilokhu namhla ngenti namhla ngabitwa ngokuthi ngingimiss emoyeni and letinto leti ngiboosta ukuthi yatina I want to prove a point to this person ukuthi you know what I can do this uyakubona yeah ma challenges longafaceile ngilawo nekucekela phasi nje umuntu athi akubukele phasi into leti njalo athi wena ngawufike bo-Miss South Africa into leti njalo but ngekungabalaleli
yeah
here am I today ngimiss emoyeni.
okay is support from endlini kubaleke ngakanani ukuthi maybe emakhaya siba support abantu abafuna ngenela bo-Miss even nalelanga le competition
bo-Miss ngiyicale ekucaleni bayabida kakhulu bo-Miss because kufuneka kuvotwe imali kufuneka lidrogo imali makeup imali icathulo imali and thina sibona abantu abadala sifuna into lesetulu angeke ngizungithengele lidrogo la 500 lo mnyagcwela 1.5 yabo so i-support siyayidinga kakhulu especially kubatali bethu mina i-support kakhulu ngiyithola kumama nguye umuntu nje longathi wena into tendeke uyakubona siyayidinga kakhulu support from batali kuthi umtali athi khandle mabona ukuthi umntwana wakhe unaso lesiphiwo sekuba nguMiss athi khandle lokho okuncane lanako amendele umntwana wakhe.
Wearing this belt kusho kuthini ku uchazani ku holding nje leli bandi libhale Miss emoyeni?
Well lengakusho in my own understanding like question yakho ngasho ukuthi ekugqokeni kwami leli bandi leli it means ngingenda lokungetulu it means ngisibonelo lesinhle kulabanye abantwana ngekuligqoka nje liyangichazela nokuthi no I can still do better into leti uyabona
guys mina I'm inspired you know being inspired by umntwana omncane guys I'm inspired Chem. Wow. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm proud. Like I'm inspired. You see today. No, man. This is what we call being an inspirational. This is an inspirational. Yeah. So we thank you so much, guys, for tuning in with us. It was really nice to have you, Miss Emoyeni. Yes. What's your name again?
Andiswa.
Ukhona ku Facebook kuma platforms
ukhona ku Facebook Andiswa Prosperity Facebook. Then go Instagram it's Andiswa Nhlana.
Okay. Yeah. Facebook Andiswa Prosperity.
Yes, go Instagram it's Andiswa Nhlana.
I'm going to follow her. I'm going to follow her. I'm going to follow her. I'm inspired. Gakulu. Gakulu. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for your time. We know we're busy now as Miss Emoyeni Guning. It's cold today. So you probably, even if you're not busy in Champagne, you know, but thank you so much for actually respecting us and come here to join us and share your journey with us. So siyabonga kakhulu, baby girl.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.